Oh shit. Oh shit.
Versace.
Oh,
No,
shit.
I don't have that shit. No, Poppy. That's what they bitches say when they on my slobby. Knobbing on my dick. That's my hobby. I pimp them out, but they still suck my dick. Damn. Kevin, why you still doing that shit? I don't know. It's fun to me. I like bitches. Is that your bitch? Yeah, she been sucking my Disney.
Word.
Damn. Versace on her face. She still sucked my dick. Chase my cock all around the room. I'm like, no. Bitch on my dick. And they're a hoe.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
I'm gonna tell you about the real nigga remix right here. Check me out. Watch me swag it on this bitch. Punani. 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 I just went to the club to get that Punani. Bitch, I ain't even wearing no Versace. I'm doing my thing with that Walmart. Flexing on my check, bitch, you already know. Only making about $8 for show. But it don't even matter cause I'm that nigga. So when I pull you to get that dance, just dance. I don't want none of that flip. I just wanna fucking dance. Dance like you got ants in your pants. Bitch, you better twerk it. I don't give a fuck cause when I pull that dick out, I'll work it. Punani, Punani, Punani. I don't give a fuck, I'm probably with the Illuminati. Punani.